You got that side, you got that side. Cause you know how to take care of my baby, right? Oh, the intercooler. Wow, look at her sitting pretty. By today.
Yeah, but that shit's stuck. I got a lot before
Not been that.
Yeah, I'm about to say, I got shit that like that.
Ooh, bum, bum, da, dum, 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 dum. Already getting rusty. Alright, get that box. You can sit here and unbox it, so. Is that the one? Get a knife. Get a knife. This piping looks small in here. Can't see through here, bro. Judah, man. I don't need it. Ooh, yeah. Hold that. Be careful.
Yeah, kind of fucking close it.
Nah. Black couplers. Black and red, basically, but black. That I.
Orange.
Whatever. Look, you see? This is gonna be the one that doesn't go inside through the hole anymore. It's gonna be straight down. Hold that. And this is the 2 1/4, like I said. But why is it so small?
Like 2 inches to me.
For real. Whatever here.
That's 2 1/4.
This cannot be 2 inches, bro. I think this is 2 1/4.
Oh, yeah, that's not 2 1/4, bro.
Then they freaking bamboozled me. This is 2 inches. 2 1/2, I think. We can measure it anyways, you can see.
What's this nipple for?
I don't know. This is why I say we should have the other pipe in just in case we got this. I don't want to put it in the floor because this. Oh, what? Look at this little one. This one that's welded together. The one that we have right over there. Yeah, that one. Right? Mm-hmm. This looks like it's going to be a hassle, huh?
Figure all this shit out, huh?
Let us all take off all these packages first, was it? Unwrap this. Then I'll record when it's all unwrapped.
Yeah, meanwhile.
We're going to kiss each other.
Hey, wait.
We took out everything. We're gonna try to mount everything on to see if we can figure something out. I think we're mad freaking. What's this called?
Clamps.
Clamps, yeah. Which one you want me to give you, boss?
We'll give you all of them.
You got it, boss. There you go. You want all of them? Ow, bitch. I already showed you the one that I think fits the best right now. That one goes straight up there. Yeah, like that.
I don't want to know how I should do it this way. Do it this way, but I lost too close.
That's the way it's shown in the thing.
Right, give me a coupler.
Coupler? They're right there. Yo, your floor is so slippery.
This side over here.
Look at those quality couplers, bro. Like,
This coupler's not gonna fit that throttle.
Mishimoto who? Yes, it goes this one.
Nope.
This one won't.
Nope.
Kevin.
No. It's not gonna fit the throttle body.
We have the technology to make it fit, boys.
Give me that one up there. On the bottom.
Fuck. The blue one?
Yeah, it's the
Oh, what's it at? Oh my god. Look at this shit. You sure, man? You want to use that blue one?
Nigga, just to roll everything.
Nah, bro. I didn't know you was a freaking Akoski, bro.
Koski.
Yeah, I see the freaking little thing right there.
What? Shotting gun?
No, the shotting cock. What else?
Because I have a shotting gun on me as a Koski.
Pretty much is. Yo, can I get a shot while you're doing it? Damn.
I don't think bitch can remember that shit either. Oh, it's just not even the right size, man.
Oh yeah, it's too big. Put a little lubrication on it. Spit on it.
Bitch.
Diablo, Kevin. Cut yourself, baby.
I gotta push my nail back, nigga.
Put some lubrication. Nigga goes in raw.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, it's not gonna go in, buddy. You're gonna stretch that bitch out. Yo, stop moving so much.
Nigga, I want to be away from the intercooler, nigga.
You zoom out, cause this motherfucker moving too much.
I don't know why you're recording this shit. I'm not even using it.
Cause it's quality content.
Oh, yeah.
I like to see people struggle doing stuff, you know?
Yeah, bitch.
Without lubrication. Kevin, you're literally putting in one side and the other side's coming out.
Go get the lube then.
Hey, yo, what you mean by that?
It's in your car, no?
Why would it be in my car?
Nigga, you don't let me fucking going out. Behind Texas Roadhouse.
They don't know about that.
Who needs lube?
Dirty fuck. Always use lube, kids. Even when you're fucking guys.
I hope you're gonna edit that out.
Nah, I'm gonna keep it on. Yo, you don't need to shove it in there, bro. It's good enough to just mount it there. That they don't sucio. I think that blue gives it a good tone to it, right? It's like Superman in here now. Yo, you're always in the way when I'm freaking recording. There you go. Is it close to this? No, hell no. It ain't gonna work. Cause that piping needs to go through the circle. The little hole that we broke into. Right? Yeah. It's not gonna work like that, Kevin, they never gave you those little puzzle pieces when you was a little kid? The triangle?
Up, I'm trying to figure this out, bitch.
It ain't gonna work like that, bro. We're gonna have to cut some piping regardless. We're gonna have to cut some. Either
we need a
coupler that freaking swivels. I forgot what's it called. The one that goes. It's like a S.
like a Z.
S.
Z.
Motherfucker, a Z is a S. It's just a Z has like this.
You want straight way. You don't want a fucking.
You don't want it like this. You want it like that, nigga, like a S. I know a goddamn Z. This nigga said a Z fits in there, man.
Probably we go like there. We go.
Stop it. So okay, let me say something real quick. This is just for this. This is the one that's supposed to go to the turbo, right? Does it really matter which is which on here?
No, it doesn't matter.
Does it matter? Give me that one. Try that Diablo Kevin. That one. Try to put that with that.
I'm not looking at it, bitch.
My goodness.
The only way is cutting it here, turning it to the side to put couplers here. You know what I'm saying? Like cut it right here. And turn this to allow.
So it'll be like a U.
Yep.
Even if it's a U, it's gonna turn in. Okay, it's gonna turn in. After it turns in, might interfere with this one. Correct? Cause look, this one can attach to either the turbo or this right here. So we got one either way. Just finding out the next one, you know? How about this bad boy? What can we do with this one?
There goes your ass right there.
Stop. Melee. Right there. Wait. Got you. Let it get natural air from outside through.
Listen, nigga.
See that? Got a fucking wedgie. Harder than we thought, huh? The reason why we're taking long doing this is because we don't really want to cut that much. We can figure it out by just cutting, obviously, pero. Is that even, this is gonna hit this, nah?
No, it's not. You want this tied up.
Ow, bitch!
Tied up here and up there is gonna be fine.
How about this then?
Coño, pero es que te la entiende, loco.
Son, just letting you know the solutions we got here and the problems, okay?
That's nigga.
How about we take off this one? Let me see this one. Take it off. Hold that. What does this one do?
That's way too small, nigga.
Way too. Míralo ahí. Alright, I'm gonna record when we figure this out, so. Nice to meet you.
Alright. So, as you guys been following the channel, obviously you guys know, none of this belongs to this. We're putting all this together because we broke.
Yes. I don't know about we, but he is.
Crypto hasn't hit. So we need a 45. I told him he's ordering a 45 to go from here to here. So curve all the way to the intake, because right here it lines up pretty good.
Yeah, right there.
On a coupler right there. So that's lined up good right there. And I look over here. So I say a 45 will fit it perfectly because it's a little flexible. Yeah,
and we could trim it off too if anything.
Yep.
So that's for that one. That's for the intake. And now for this bad boy, the turbo. Ooh, that should hurt my teeth.
So the turbo one, it's already on.
It's already connected to it. Look it. Boom.
Yeah. Again, bear with us. This doesn't belong here, so there's some cutting and hacking that needs to get done. Eventually in the future, we're gonna get this shit done the right way.
Welded, supposedly. Whoa, wrong way, buddy. There you go. We're gonna cut that side right there, obviously. You can tell just...
You see how it flexes? We can make it flex.
So we're gonna cut that, boom, right there. And then we're gonna cut a little bit of this so it could just route perfectly there. Because if we just cut that, it's still gonna have that freaking gap right there. So we have to cut a little bit of this and that. And we're gonna use a 45 on this one too, right?
Yep.
So it could just go in better. So we're gonna cut like a good amount over here.
I don't think the 45 is 100% needed for the bottom one, but it's just best off having it to be on the safe side.
So you can put the bumper and shit, nice.
Yeah, because you never know. So.
Yo, who the hell is calling you when we're explaining shit? So check it out. This dude is inside somewhere, and I routed it like this. I think it looks so much better like that. Like it just flows so much nicer. Look at that, it just goes straight over there. But the problem is this now. I don't know if they sell them, but we're gonna have to get like an S coupler, something like that, or we could just cut that and make it work. That and this piping right here, this is the issue. We might have to cut this one shorter and route it up to the freaking turbo over here. I don't know though, but this shit looks beautiful like this. Look at that, it's clean. And we don't have to use none of these, those disgusting old ones. I don't know, it looks freaking nice. Let me get the chair out the way. Look at that. I don't know, man. If we can make it work like that, we'll do it. I mean, it doesn't really matter because no one's gonna see it without a bumper every time, so I don't know, man. That looks beautiful like that though. Look at that. It's like perfectly synchronized together. Damn, that shit is beautiful. I don't know yet. We're gonna see if we can make it work like this. If not, then we're gonna go back to the previous plan and do what we said we was gonna do. So hopefully we order the right couplers so we could keep it like this, or cut this and make it work. If not, it's gonna be how we showed it earlier. We'll see what happens. I'll film again when the couplers come in, or if we figure that out to make it work like that. Damn, shit's beautiful. All right. So the coupler finally came in. We're gonna see if it fits.
It looks like it ain't.
What you said?
Looks like it's not.
Oh my goodness. I think it'll fit. The moment of truth. It'll fit. I'ma record again when we figure this out. I'll show you how it looks. Alright, so this is what we came up with. Right there's connected. We used some piping right here, just a straight pipe. Coupler. It's going down all the way over here still. It's a little crooked. It's gonna stay like that. And now we need to order. You good over there?
No.
We're gonna order a 45-degree angle coupler, and it should just fit right there. So it's gonna be like that, a little bit tilted. I mean, it looks better than the previous setup that we had earlier. So I'm just gonna upload this video like this, and when the coupler comes in, you'll see us install it. But for now, everything is set up. Look at that, boom. Boom. Oh, I need to order a black one of those too. That shit's ugly. And that's it. That's the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys want to see more of this trash. And yeah, deuces.
Run this shit, I'm rapping on, yeah, even on a snow day. Where I'm from, the block get high, yeah, even on a snow day. King of the hill, I'm so hang. So you know I got that propane.